All right, eighth graders. So now we're going to work on our Kandinsky project, okay? First thing we need to do is, with any piece of art we do sketches. Kandinsky, even though it seemed very free-flowing and stuff, he was adamant about his sketches. And a lot of times he would work with black paint because you can't erase it once you've done it. You have to commit to it. And he would do just on these papers, just sketches after sketches after sketches, just working on it rather than doing something saying, oh no, I don't like that, erase it. Okay, so he'd work through the problem and just do it again, do it again, do it again. Well, we're not gonna hand out paint with this, but we do have charcoal. So we're gonna work with charcoal because you can't erase it. You can smooth it, you can give it some shading, soften it, but you cannot erase it. Once it's there, okay? So he worked mostly with shapes and lines. That was it, okay? He broke everything in reality down to its basic element and shapes. And he thought that really is the true reality, is the shape, the essence of something. So he worked with organic and geometric shapes. All shapes can be put into one of two categories, geometric and organic. Geometric shapes are all those shapes that can be measured. A square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, octagon, trapezoid, all those things that you can measure around it, inside it, long ways, short ways, all that kind of stuff, okay? Inorganic shapes are all those shapes that cannot be measured. Some of those shapes we recognize, some of those we cannot. Like shape of a heart, shape of a duck. We know it's a duck, but we can't measure it. So it is an organic shape, okay? We are not going to do any shapes we can recognize if you choose to do an organic shape. Okay. Now lines themselves, we have all kinds of lines. We have squiggly lines, zigzag lines, straight lines, sideways, long ways, diagonal, everything. Okay. So say I want to use some organic shapes within this, and then let's cut that with some strong lines here. That more of a solid line. Isn't that cool? Okay, we can do that. And then take it this way so that my eye goes from here to here to here, because he would have these bold lines cutting through. Just playing. And then let's add some organic shapes. Let's add some geometric shapes to this as we can. Oops, that broke. Yes, charcoal does break easy, but still a lot of fun to work with. I always tend to like to repeat shapes because your eye goes around to them. Now, say we have a composition. Now my eye's going this way and this way and this way. And I've repeated some shapes. And my eye wants to go to repeated. Your eye will naturally want to go to repeated shapes. So let me get you a little closer on this, okay? So don't be afraid to repeat shapes in something. Maybe I can put some of those circles out here, or out there. Okay, try it on and see how that works, okay?